Meaning of Enid Blyton.
Enid Blyton.
Enid Blyton.
Enid Blyton.
Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton was a British children's author who wrote over 800 books, primarily focusing on adventure and mystery stories. Her most famous works include the famous 5 and Secret 7 book series, which have become beloved classics and have been translated into numerous languages. Blyton's stories have captivated generations of young readers with their exciting plotlines, relatable characters, and themes of courage, friendship, and loyalty. Her legacy as a pioneering children's author continues to inspire readers around the world.